Thanksgiving dinner in North Jersey. It's like an hour and a half away, so I figured I'd just take the race car. It's freezing, it's like 23 degrees outside, and this thing has no windows or anything. She's coming with me. She's a lot more well dressed. I have this double socks, and I have to wear this hoodie.
I have a blanket for us too.
Yeah, a blanket, which is probably gonna fly out of the car. As you guys know, I mount the GoPro thing on the end, but the wing shakes a lot once I go over 80 miles an hour, because as you know, there's like a stud broken in each of the mounts before SEMA. So I think I'm gonna put one of the sticky ones right up here in the front, so you can kind of just see the front end, I suppose. So this thing also, like I said, has no windows. A lot of you were really shook about that in the last video where I got pulled over or whatever. My door's gutted, obviously. It's fully gutted, so I lost like about 100 pounds from both of the doors, from all the mechanisms to all the metals to the extra protection bars, which I don't need anymore because obviously this thing has a full welded 6-point cage with door bars and everything. A lot of you were, like I said, really shook, like the cop was, that I had no windows, and you're like, oh, that's stupid. Well, like I said, I was actually going to make polycarbonate windows here with like the vent and stuff to slide open, but as you know, we are moving to Arizona in like about a little over a month, and it never ever rains in Arizona, so I figured there's no actual point of making windows at this point, because like it rains like once every month or two in Arizona. Anyways, we're gonna go now. It's freezing. The heater in the car does work, so it's just gonna be on full blast the whole time. It's usually how we drive around while it's cold out, but today it's especially cold. It's like 22 degrees, like I said, and that's about -5 degrees Celsius. And then at the night it's gonna be 17 or 18, and that's like -7 degrees Celsius. So, I know he's so cute.
Doggy!
I don't think we're going to get any reactions out of her parents, well, her family, by bringing it there, because they don't care about me anyway, so yeehaw. It's going to be a long drive, and then obviously, as you guys know, which I'll post a little banner right now, we're doing a cruise, well, my friend is, on Sunday, and it's to Hawks Nest, New York, which is like this crazy like hill driving road, and that is going to be, we're meeting at Cheesequake Rest Stop in New Jersey, which is in Central Jersey, around 9 a.m. and then 10 a.m. in North Jersey. I'll post the link in the caption. I'll also post the banner right here. But it's like a 2.5 hour drive up there and then 2.5 back. And it's like a really, it's kind of like a Dragon's Tail, kind of like that, the roads and everything. So it's going to be really cool, and that's happening in 2 days. Or not in 2 days, in Sunday.
3.
Sunday, yeah, in 3. And Dan's coming, and he's going to have like maybe a GoPro on his hood while chasing my car behind me and stuff like that, and then I'll have that thing on, so it should be fun. So might as well take it to Thanksgiving dinner too. Time to go home. And we are home. Jesus Christ. Where we were was kind of up in the mountains, and it was like 10 degrees there. Which is, I don't know what the hell that is in Celsius. Probably like -10. Oh, my left foot can't feel. My right foot can't feel, but my left foot really can't feel. So I'm just gonna go inside and get warm. Could see my breath the entire drive. Stupid thing to do, I know, but it's kind of like, hey, why not? Add some entertainment, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't like too intense. It would have been cool if I could get like their reactions. Basically, all their reactions was like, "Oh, you have no windows. That's stupid. Why?" That's literally it. And that's kind of what I figured too. Ooh, my right ear's death because all I had to listen to is the exhaust, and I had an earbud in my left, listening to music. But oh, thanks so much for watching, guys. Next video is definitely gonna be ooh, I got the tinglies because I'm so cold. Better friggin' piss myself. Sunday, like I said, is gonna be the cruise, so that's definitely gonna be like the next video, and that one would be a lot more cooler because we'll have outside clips in the mountains. You know, I'll place my girlfriend or Dan on one of the corners and have them film from outside, and then I'll have multiple GoPro on Dan's car chasing me and stuff through the hills. So definitely will be a lot better. But if this is your first time watching this video, be sure to subscribe. You know, we do some cool stuff. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, guys.